The Argus 45mm f/0.95 lens is the second full-frame member of the Argus f/0.95 series. This fast 45mm offers an extremely shallow depth of field with its 0.95 aperture. Laowa states the lens performs very well with a sharp image wide open. This fully metal lens has an outstanding optical performance and video-friendly component, which is a professional lens for every photographer and videographer. It has a high performance in low light conditions for obtaining sharp images, making it a must-have tool for every photographer and videographer. Argus 45mm f/0.95 full-frame lens key features include a maximum aperture of 0.95, close to human eyes perspective, has an outstanding optical performance at f/0.95, click aperture ring switch mechanism, internal focusing, low focus breathing. The lens has an angle of view of 51.3 degrees, a minimum focus distance of 50 centimeters, and a maximum magnification of up to 0.12 times. The lens weighs about 835 grams or 1.84 pounds, without lens hood and both front cap and back cap. The lens has an aperture to click switch for video use that enables the aperture to be fluid without the jump from each f-stop. The shallow depth of field and dreamy bokeh created by the combination of the f/0.95 aperture and 15-blade diaphragm creates exceptional portraits. Laowa offers 3 mounts for this lens: Canon RF, Nikon Z, and Sony E. Laowa Argus 45mm f/0.95 full-frame lens is currently available to purchase via Venus Optic's official website and authorized resellers. The lens price is $799.